wish muna. Make a wish. Bakit ako nanay mo?
Close your eyes.
Dali, ano ba yung tagal-tibay pangalan? Wait lang. Tagal-tibay pangalan, nagtibay pangalan.
Okay na.
Teka lang! Ah, yay! Ayan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Mamaya na yan, huwag mo na bubuksan. Sa bahay niyo na. Sa bahay na. Ay, sa bahay niyo na. Sa bahay niyo na, lagi mo na. Kahit na dinadiyari ka na, kahit na malayo kahit para kapiling ka. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Ano ba kinakanta niyan? Ay, kay Sarah Geronimo pala.
Someday na American, I will make more than lemonade sand. Maybe this time I'll be loving maybe now they can be more than just friends. Or they can be more than just friends.
Ay, gusto yung umawi ha?
She's back in this life, and her is so right.
Basahin mo!
This time, no, baby.
Yan na, yan na, yan na, yan na. Basahin mo, basahin mo!
She's back with my baptism. She feels a few baptisms. And someone be there, waiting for this magic moment.
Taas! Taas! Wow!
Maybe love and be fun. Maybe now and
Kakanta ng birthday girl.
Lahat ng cellphone nito to.
Aray! Parang baho ng mic pagkatapos niya. Ara?
Kasi nag-grade Bakit niya may tono ka?
Ipapadaan mo ako may naguguluhan.
Ganda pa na po si Borno ka.
Na masisi
Upansin
na kung pakiwan. Hindi na dapat ako. I should never go away. Will it close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today? And then if you can remember, keep trying, knowing you can always get away. Push on. That's the metaphor for good times and bad times.
Nakalate ka dahil?
That's what friends are for.
Ako pumiyok eh. Ang naman eh, sobrang namang mabilis.
When you can't look at me, your love is so much more I see. So bad, I think you
Mia!
for the times when we're apart. When you close your eyes and love, the words are coming from my heart. And if you can remember.
Bakit sa part?
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, and that's the best of all. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always turn me.
Ah, Tara?
For sure.
Feelings ah.
That's what friends are for.
Mia with feelings.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forever.
Namang problema na naman po sa jowa. Hindi daw siya pinapansin ng jowa. Wala na napapadala ng pera.
Keep shining, knowing you can always count on me.
Ay, si Lolo.
For sure.
Si Lolo. Si Lolo niya.
That's what friends are for.
Ay, tama. Si Lolo nga talaga.
I'll be on your side forevermore.
Saan ba yun?
Oh, that's what friends are for.
Akala ko pa sa hand, pag si Lolo.
Tapos na.
Si Lolo ni Negra.
Parang kasama si Nawi.
Ayaw nga siya pansinin daw ng jowa niya, kaya nananahimik na naman.